money, what is the most important question? What are people looking for to buy? Do you agree? Everything would be solved if we knew what people wanted. Just creating those products would be enough to make profits. Generally, we figure out what people want, look at statistics, and watch what happens on social media. When we finally bring out the product that we think will break the market, it doesn't sell. Is it necessary for us to be fortune tellers? A prophet? What can we do to solve this problem? What about this? Let's get people to create the products they want. To be selling products allowing visitors to customize them. The customers get exactly what they want, you'll get paid for the work your customers do. I think that would be an awesome idea. Let's give our customers the freedom to design any kind of product. Presenting on-demand store. It's the first world's application to create ready-done-for-you on-demand stores, where your customers can easily design their own products. Now everyone can run their own on-demand store with just a couple of clicks. These stores are able to offer new canvas technology as well as print-on-demand services that are connected to our store, making what was once impossible a reality. Your visitors can create products in your store, including their company logo, their favorite basketball team designs, images of political candidates, their own designs. The possibilities are endless. That's not all. Aside from selling the customizable products, you can also profit creating and selling your own brand and designs. So you can create the products you want according to your style or ideas. With this, you can make your creative dreams a reality by putting your design ideas into action. As for the profit margins of the custom products as well as design products, you are able to choose yourself. A few clicks and our on-demand store is ready to go. The best part is that orders and deliveries will be handled automatically without any intervention. Print-on-demand services offer an easier way to bypass the time, investment, and risk associated with managing inventory, helping to create custom products at a fraction of the cost than manufacturing them on your own. With print-on-demand, you don't pay for the cost of the product until after you've actually sold it. In today's world, stores on demand are one of the most important trends, and they are at an all-time high. The print-on-demand (POD) industry has grown by 12% over the past several years. Furthermore, the global print-on-demand market size was estimated at $91 billion in 2022 and is expected to reach $6.17 billion in 2023, and shows no signs of slowing down. There's ongoing demand for unique products and personalization options for today's consumers. And also we have the built-in feature to promote any product instantly to the best social traffic networks to generate traffic. So what is this going to cost you? $97 a month would be a steal, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month, no, not even $47 a month.
Hello everyone, Albert here. So today we are going to review OnDemand Store. OnDemand Store is a customizable service for your customers. You don't need to have any prior experience, skill, website or expenses. All you need is OnDemand. By the way, if you want to get more emails about money making methods, if you like this product, promote and want to buy it, you can support us by purchasing it from the link in description so that we can introduce you to better videos. Now let's go back to the video. OnDemand is a system that makes commissions on true autopilot. It's like nothing you have ever seen. And it has zero risk. There's a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can get your money back in any time you want. By just clicking here, you can get instant access by purchasing only for today $14.90. Now there are 3 steps and I will explain to you one by one. Here is step 1. Step 1 is just simply access. You just have to click the link in this page and you are ready to go. Step 2 is choosing your niche and import. OnDemand Store, you can import hundreds or thousands of products to your store without need of API key. Just one click. Step 3 is just enjoying what you have made. Many people who are less smart than you could achieve a big success. You know, we live in a different time now. 73% of all sales are made online, and there are 2 ways to grow and profit. First way is the custom products, where your customers can customize any product they want and choose the fit for them. The second way is brand products. Customers often want to purchase brand products because brands always do quality. People want that. Here we can offer you brand products and you can sell them on a pre-order basis on your own brand with your own designs. Here in custom product there is a menu when you can select the color, you can start your design, add as many you want as the cart. Here there are additional information, reviews, shipping, delivery. If you wish to add this, your customers will check it out and decide to buy it later. Here you can see more in depth about how to customize stuff. You can see there are text, clippers, photos, elements, layers. Here one of our customers is changing logo. You can add emojis, pictures, anything you want. Now, what if you can't end your struggle right here, right now? But clearly, the problem is just managing store is too hard and too consuming for your energy and your time. But this automated system, OnDemand store, will do that everything for you. Customize all in OnDemand. Your website in OnDemand and your products is all for you. You know, what's the secret? Normally, Amazon does all the hard work to get the cart system in place, to take taxes, to deliver the product in time, any location, and track that all goes smooth. And we take commissions for every sales, so you can get more money. World's first OnDemand store, so powerful to dominate any niche. Here there are impressive results that only get better on demand store. We see that John made over $2,000 in Amazon, Raymond made over 5k, Rayton made over 2k. Imagine making money online without building this, writing articles, creating videos, running ads, optimizing funnels, writing emails, and imagine all of this is done for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. And they will also throw $2,000 in free bonuses. Here is the OnDemand store launch bonus one. This is the mastermind community group where you can ask your questions, get help, get information, and just contacting with any people you want on this business. Here's the second bonus. Second bonus, step-by-step training videos. In these in-depth, over-the-shoulder training videos, you'll see how everything works inside of a OnDemand store software. Now here's the third bonus, which normally costs $250. You are going to see the exact steps I took to generate $250 within 24 hours, nothing but OnDemand store, so you can get same money by yourself. The fourth bonus is commercial license. Want to create OnDemand store for business owners, charge them for it? Go ahead, because our included commercial license lets you do that. And the fifth bonus is that 5 makes to make $100 daily with OnDemand store. This is the best bonus for me and the most helpful one as well. Now let's see the special extra bonus special offer. 150 fast action takers to get free access to OnDemand store upgrade worth $2,000. This bonus allows you to see faster results, scale to higher income, and normally they would charge you $2,000 for this, but if you are one of the first 150 action takers, you can get it for free, $0 cost. So hurry up, you don't want to miss this. Here we can see what OnDemand offers us: 100% brand new store system, don't require Amazon keys, unlimited products, safe and secure cloud server, world-class support team, no risk 30-day money back guarantee, step-by-step video training, get results, only get paid $300. This is normally costs $11,000 just for you to learn it. And for limited time only grab it for now is $200 a month. But only for one time, just for you, is $15. Very cheap, very useful, and it's the best for money making. Now let's see frequently asked questions. What's from the OnDemand store? The world's best one-click store builder to run your store with pre-built online niches to get results today. This kind of questions can only be answered once you buy it. I can assure you that this will work for you if you try enough, follow that step-by-step video tutorials, and make good products. To get started, you just have to click this button, then purchase it for only $15, then simply following instructions, and that's it. Now let me show you bonuses. Here you can sign up for GV updates and get your affiliate link. Now first upgrades cost this, and 13 social media sites and generate traffic from all sites simultaneously. Keep your social media accounts fresh and engaging by regularly updating your content. Second bonus is useful as well. You can build unlimited sites, premium add-ons like drag and drop builder, live chat and more. Third one costs $37 to $47. You can grab and post viral content from any websites, rewrite the content in one click to make it yours, very easy as well. Now the fifth one, and it includes Spinner to make your email unique, trading news and generating massive buyer traffic, and it helps you with 24/7 access to your support team. Now let's see the sixth, also the same price, and you can publish your articles more constantly, automate your site and skyrocket your income. Seventh one is 67 to 90 proven strategies to sell high ticket offer with Google Ads. It lets you generate less laser targeted buyer traffic. And the eighth one costs the same with 7th one. The eighth one offers you must-know strategies for selling high ticket offers. It's still highly effective, and as it's always ninth one, $197. An agency. This gives you an agency license, a license to sell OnDemand store like your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Done for you selling platform. You can use our selling platform to sell products. If you have any more questions, you can just watch this video right here. This video is created just for you, and here we can see it reached $6 billion this year alone. Now I will show you more. First bonus is VP checkout maximum. The second one is image plus, and here we can see more and more. We can see even live chat, easy launcher, link locker, fan page pro. These bonuses, your business will skyrocket and you will gain more and more money as the time passes. There is a lead book generator as well, and the best one is social media. Help you so much in social media, and I'm pretty sure it will help your business as well. That was it for OnDemand store. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.